On our previous vlog, you experienced a tour around Fairmont Hot Springs Resort in the province of British Columbia. But in today's vlog, we will visit another exciting place in the province and experience one-of-a-kind ride at Revelstoke Mountain Resort. Revelstoke Mountain Resort is located at 2950 Camozy Road, Revelstoke in British Columbia. It is a couple of hour drive or 169 km from Lake Louise in Alberta Province or 3 hours and 19-minute drive or almost 300 kilometers from Fairmont Hot Springs Resort.
Doon mo na lang balikan. Okay na doon. Kasi baka pumunta na tayo ng highway, hindi na tayo ulit makabalik. Oo nga, may pa-ice cream. Baka gusto niyo magpa-ice cream.
Eh di ko na nga pupuntahan yung ice cream ka pa.
Hindi ko na naging favorite doon yung ano. Yung parehas tayo, Rika? Malpay?
Georgia Pagpatch, sarap yun.
Ayan na.
Tamis kasi nung ano.
Hindi,
Tamis
magkano
na,
ka?
no? Oo.
O yan, sasakyan yan, yung Lexus.
Naka-Lexus?
Oo. Ano yun, lupa.
Kabog ka, madam. Ano? Kinaya mo? Inaantok? Inaantok si Jose? Ayan, nakapikit pa eh. Isandal mo sa shoulder mo.
Para kayong mga baka, bandalaki yun.
No, I want to eat that.
Si Jose, bumaba mag-isa.
Ayan, ano na. O si Jose, o. O si Jose, baka tumakbo.
Mas mukha pa matanda sa nila.
Let's say I'm 14 years old.
Ayan. Tiki muna kami.
45.
At may imimit na friends sila.
Ay, try magpapit na hirap. Pero mag-video na. Eh, hindi na kami nag-stay. Akala ko ba?
You can see us na.
Oh, si ano? Oh, ayan ang sasakyan.
Parang matagal ito ulo sa labas. Paano mas excited pa? Diba?
Parang mataas ko ito.
It's like with us.
It's mataas ko
Meal daw.
Yung $8 po.
$8. Chocolate. Tapos isa pong, dalawang chicken strip. Okay. Dalawang chicken strip. Dalawang strips.
Gravy po for the dipping.
So, isa pong cheeseburger, isang strips. Dalawang strips na.
I make it 3 po.
All gravy po.
drumstick.
Sorry, yung isang chicken strip na parang caramel na lang. Isang chocolate ng caramel.
Isang strawberry.
So, isang chocolate.
Saan tayo? Upo na tayo.
Oh,
Mas maganda dito. Ay, take out. Ganda pa naman ang ano dito, ambience. Maaraw.
Fun of araw ba?
Yeah. Oo nga, littering nga. Hindi ko kasi makita eh. Lemonade na lang ako. Paki-push naman, te. Parang tubig na naman yata to. Tama na.
Baby, come here. No, 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 baby. Nancy. Come here.
Dito pala yan. Kakainin pala tayo dito. Naghingi pa ako ng paper bag. Naniwala ko. Ginaganda ko pa yung presentation. Sayang ang payat ko dyan, friend.
Hindi yan.
Dali ba't parang okay naman? Wala mo bang dalawang sa story mo? Minsan sure ka din ako in story ko yung solo mo. Kaya ako naman. Look baby, oh, here's your pictures when you were a little boy. See, who's this one? This is volcano. This is Jose. That's Jose's volcano.
Where you going?
Tingnan mo si Jose ng mic ko.
Ay, umano.
Taba chintin niya. No?
Kaya naman ako pag sa fresh.
It's because of this. Yaman ka, girl.
Oh, yeah. Doon ka upo kay ano.
Pasok, balabas.
Eh, doon ka kay ate pumasok.
Hindi ko yan, hawak mo itong drinks. Tanggalin mo yan, drinks nito eh. Tapos sasabihin niyo mamaya, kailangan anak, pwede pang lagayan din ito.
Saan taon na ngayon sa sakyan?
Kano,
Brenang, why are you videoing?
Kano. Ay, may train, oh.
Oh, there's a train. Choo, choo.
Hirap magbasa.
Ngayon lang yan kasi ano eh. May gawa pa eh. Pero mamaya pag-uwi natin, wala na yan.
Parang hindi din pao. Parang mali ka doon. Kasi hapon yun eh. So pag uwi tayo parang rush hour dito. Kasi pauwian. Yeah, but I just wanna inform you that we're gonna be arriving late. A-N-D-R-E-S. Malapit na tayo. 10 minutes. Ang bilis.
Grabe no? Sagad sila eh.
Bilisan mo, friend.
Talagang nakarekta sila ng takbo eh. Hindi sila pwedeng mag-slow down ng kahit mga 10 kilometer ng puso. Yeah, bahay-bahay na ito bago pumunta doon sa resort.
Edmonton. Yeah, this is near Walterdale.
Yan, mga
Hotel ba to?
tagas.
Hindi mo sobrang daming sasakyan. Alam mo ba?
Kasi ski area dito.
So walang ganyan siya.
Ay, na-Sheraton.
Hindi ano yan.
Ay, di ba?
May pasukan niya. Yung kanina.
Saan?
Ang sikip niya, no?
Pero kasya tayo.
Ayan na, umikot ka na lang dyan.
A few moments later.
Balik daw mga 5 to 6.
Ah.
Kasi may mga chance pa na may 100 tickets silang ilalabas. If ever daw yun. Hindi pa assurance yun, wala pang 100% assurance. Oh no! Pagkatawag na lang daw sila sa atin. Nag-give na lang ako. Nag-drama-drama pa. Oh, tatawagan nila tayo kasi sabi ko birthday ng anak ko. It's my daughter's birthday and we drove like 8 hours. We're from Edmonton. It's not that easy to... Oh my God!
Tapos,
Ganon! Oh, I totally understand.
But
but unfortunately,
Sad to say. Pero nag-offer naman siya.
Yeah. At least meron.
Nag-offer siya na kahit wala na, tatawagan pa rin niya tayo para malagpanan.
Kasi may araw pa ng 6. Tumawag din naman para hindi tayo mag-expect. Kahit na ano.
Either way.
Ah, okay.
Ng Rebel Stop. Kasi dito kami pumunta, nag-stay ng Berry Line, papunta doon sa water ride, white water rafting. Ano sabi?
Bigay siya.
Kasi di mo guarantee.
Kami na lang yung umiyak doon, Eya, kasi wala.
Sabi niya nga mag-iiyak daw siya, nasan daw yung alcohol.
Oo, sa Sanfong pala tayo. Hindi mo kinunang mic yung ano,
Yung?
yung dagat ang ganda.
Isa lang yung cellphone
Isa
ko.
lang Just done.
Roundhouse.
Oh,
Train ride. Ayaw nga na, Ghost Town entrance.
Ghost town.
Ay, parang ano to, ay, ang ganda.
Ganda.
Ay, bakit?
Nagbago na naman tayo. Ganito, pagiging tayo na tuloy sa Rebels to.
Oh, dyan tayo. Ang ganda. Oh my God.
Ganda nga, ghost
Oh
town.
my God.
Do not enter. Saan tayo enter? Pangit naman ang kuwan. May parking pa kaya.
Okay, just give me a second, please. Pero gusto niya as soon as possible. Oo, kasi hindi, doon na tayo dapat.
Ay, babalik tayo.
Hindi kasi pag
1 hour.
Kasi hanggang 9 PM sila pwede mo siyang gamitin in.
Kailangan natin i-purchase yun right away.
Because we just arrived here in Atlanta, so we need to just go back there now. Because it's like 35 hours drive. 35 minutes.
35 minutes.
minutes, sorry. 35 minutes, sorry. 35. Yeah. So, yeah. We will just go back. Just go back.
Oo nga. Dapat yun eh.
Alright, thank you.
And they keep the
Tara na.
Balik tayo. Yun? Saan na? Nagantay na tayo.
Oo nga eh. Dapat gano'n na lang sinabi nila.
Sila ngayon.
Kasi ubusan yun.
30 to 1 hour.
Ano, babalik tayo?
Ubusan kasi yun.
Pa-assure mo muna na.
Hindi pwede nga.
Assure yun.
Kasi nag-iwan naman kami ng 5 adults and 2 kids.
Ah.
So kailangan niya in person na patandoon talaga.
Oo. Tara na.
Oo nga, pagdating natin, assure. Baka kasi pagdating uli natin doon, wala na.
Wala tayong magagawa. Yun ang sinabi. Sinabi ko sa kanya, aalis na tayo dito.
Wait! Pwede ba natin kunin yung cellphone ko muna?
Hanapin mo na.
Ayan ang forest fire.
Ay,
Ano talaga
kasi sobrang init.
Oo.
Kaya andyan pa na yung usok talaga malapit.
Ayan guys, bumalik uli kami dito dahil nag-open uli sila ng slots for 100 guests. So, wala kaming choice dahil baka mawala uli yung tickets na available. Hi, after 30 minutes of driving, we needed to go back here for another 30 minutes. Okay lang, kahit nakakapagod. Para lang masulit namin itong main attraction namin for today.
We have to wait. Kasi 1,000 tayo. Yeah, so much. No worries. And then just Daddy! Of course.
I really appreciate the people
And just so you guys know as well, we do get you unlimited access on the lower gondola for the remainder of the night. So you guys are more than welcome to use that to your liking while you wait. There is no like lineup to waiting for the kite coasters. You guys are kind of just free to do whatever you like.
Okay, thank you so much.
No worries. Have a great night, guys.
Friend, 1,040 pa tayo. 840 pa lang. Oh, no!
Pero okay na.
Meron pa daw. Ha?
Pero okay na,
Ito na, ito
tayo.
na.
Oo.
Hindi tayo,
Diba?
baka ano. Hindi tayo baka. Nasisiyo.
What are you doing, Jose?
Bread. Ano, kumain ka? Don't like it. Don't like it. This is a bread.
They not follow the leader.
Don't touch the Just pat it. Pat the dog. Oh my god. Oh! Walk the dog. Come on, Jose. Jose. Oh my god.
Yeah, tell your mom.
Ano pa, JB ang breed?
Hindi, Beagle.
Oh, Jose, come on.
Gusto na daw niya. Pili daw kayo agad.
Ayaw na.
Ayaw na bigay.
Ayaw na niyang bitawan.
Alagaan mo, ha? Ha? Paliliguan mo, yan.
Of course daw.
Hindi siya mapalahibo, tapos maliit lang.
Oo nga.
Mapait siya, kuya. Ano, kahit hindi sa mga babata to. Maganda, hindi mapalahibo.
I want the big one so it can
Salamat, kuya. We're here na. Pinapasok na kami ng maaga.
Revelstoke Mountain Resort holds the most vertical elevation in North America for skiing or snowboarding at 5,620 feet. The resort will bring you to a high elevation of the mountain by its gondola and enjoy the view going down by an accelerating ride using Pipe Mountain Coaster with 1.4 km of twists and turns across ski runs. You may run up to 42 km per hour but still depends on how you drive. This activity is ideal for people of all ages. One-way Pipe Mountain Coaster ticket costs 29 Canadian dollars for riders aged from 8 and up, while passenger 3 to 12 years of age costs 12 Canadian dollars but tax is not included yet.
Sana pa picture tayo. Sana may kusa silang picturean tayo.
Oo nga, naisip nila yon.
For more information of the resort, you can check the website shown on your screen.
Let's go.
Di ka nag-
Alright, just gonna give you a quick safety speech. So when you get in the car, push forward to accelerate, pull back to slow down, and stop. With that, please don't actually stop anywhere on the track. Make sure you're moving at all times.
How to slow down, sorry?
Pull back. Yeah, you'll figure it out kind of when they see you in the car.
Okay.
So, keep arms and legs beside the cars at all times. Don't try and lay down and touch anything. Make sure you're always wearing your seatbelts and try to maintain 40 meters worth of distance between you and the person in front of you. So, no tailgating, no bumper cars. There's 2 spots on the track with a set of flashing lights. If the lights are flashing red, just need to slow down a little bit. The person in front of you is going slower, and if they're not flashing, you're clear to go. Other than that, make sure all loose items are secured. We recommend you guys wear hats on backwards just so they don't fly off, and have a good ride.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Backward. Stop.
Yeah, scan your tickets and you guys.
Yeah, you have to scan your.
Yeah, there'll be a sign that says slow down when you get close to the end. Slow down when you see.
Okay.
Sa tatanong sa iya. Ayun na yan. Kanina pa tayo nag-aantay. Ito, may ganun. Ay, ang ganda rin ang kay Mike. Ayun, maganda sa'yo, Mike. Bakit ako pangit ko? Isa pa nga ako. Yun lang ba yun?
Kailangan ko nga ng picture na yan.
Parang dalawa. Bakit? Oh my God. Parang wala namang umaandar.
They run out of signal.
Baba na nito sa likod.
Ayun, mga nakababa na nga sila. Oh.
Nababa na? Gawa nga tayo.
Baba tayo.
Hindi ako umandar, diba?
Eh, naghahanap sila ng signal, mga kausap sa phone. Eh.
Wow!
Kailangan-
Nagana pala signal. Bye!
No, I'm coming. Wait lang.
Ano yan?
Stretch. Push me yan.
Oh,
Sabi ko kanina,
ibenta mo sa labas.
driver, no?
Bilis, punta ka doon. Elok mo. Elok mo.
Kailangan ko si Eya. Para maawa. Oh, joke lang, Ate Eya.
Bigyan mo ng envelope.
I'm just joking, Ate
Please,
Eya.
I want to come.
I'm just joking.
Tumawag. Ba't doon sa pumunta? Masasagasaan pa to.
Shrek. See? At least you have something to watch. At least you have something to watch. Mami, dito nagwawan-watch.
Okay, ma'am. Sold out ang paninda ko. Ay, pumikit ka muna. Sabi na namin sa'yo pag okay. Ano ko na lang itong pakwan.
Elok mo.
Ano itong pakwan?
Ayan na.
Thank you so much.
Ayun na, hanggang dito na tayo.
Ayan lang ang ginalaw.
Wala nyo
Ayan na.
Ay, mahaba-haba. Baka tayo yung pinakalas. Kaya ka, tapos mag-stop
Oh my
pa
God.
ulit. Sabihin bidana mo. Sabihin mo, this isn't right. Yeah. you guys are incredible. And this is not acceptable. Look at the lineup. Amazing. Ano ba ginawa nila? Pero madama ang ginawa nila. Wala naman silang ginawa. Hindi, baka ito.
Linis.
Oh, there's a bird.
There's an uwa.
And you guys did a great job.
Ayan, sila naman ngayon. Ayan.
Maliit pa lang to.
Ang haba
Maiksi pa
na.
lang. I'm not the one you needed.
Trail southeast, then turn left onto Lake Fraser Gate southeast.
Ayan, yan. Isa pa. Handa ka lang.
You have just seen the exciting pipe coaster ride in Revelstoke Mountain in British Columbia. Next on Trip ni Mike, Calgary. That's it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Trip ni Mike. Like this video by clicking the thumbs up down below and hit the notification bell for more updates. Follow nyo na rin po ako sa social media accounts like Twitter and Instagram at Trip ni Mike. Like my Facebook page, Trip ni Mike. Thank you for watching. See you again!